Hi, today we are going to learn about search operators for SEO. Like 99 of SEO professional don't know about these search operators. So here we go. Uh, as you can see, operator number one, which is site. We can use this column for any website that you want to check or index. For example, I will search mm, Hello Social. So this is a website, and here I am just going to copy the link and I will press enter. And now this operator will show all the index pages on this domain hellosocial.com. Here you can see every link is related to Hello Social, which are giving us that these pages are indexed and crawled by search engine. So here you can find any website, any pages using this uh, operator. Here now the second operator, which you can find to find new keywords. Example, I will just use the same website here and just look at this like keyword, and for keyword in inverted commas I am going to use SEO. Now this operator will show me all the pages that contain the word SEO. So here you can see that SEO is in the meta description and it is showing only one page. So this is how you can find any page with a specific keyword. This is also a useful trick for keyword research as well. And now we will go for in title. In titles means that you will search like digital marketing in USA and enter. So here you will see all the digital marketing websites on your search result. But uh, if you use this type in title and select enter, like in title is your operator and in here is SEO checklist. Now it will show all the results containing SEO checklist. So here you can see that all the pages contain SEO checklist, 45 SEO checklist, SEO checklist. So now it's showing all the result with this keyword. You can like also uh, enter car washing service in USA. Now it will show all the result containing car washing services in USA. I think it's not showing me any page because yeah. Now as you can see car washing in USA. Now every title is showing you with then specific result as you can see. See, this is how we work. And now we work for the operator 4, which mean in URL. Like the word it's been in URL, you can see that SEO in Pakistan. So here now you can see that search result is showing all the results which contains the URL search engine optimization. You see, because it is in URL. Like here, I will open another website. Here you can see SEO of service in Pakistan. So it's showing all the results specifically in Pakistan. Or you can use different types of keyword to search in URL. Like you can, like if you want to search for uh, uh, a plumber in Pakistan, so here use the plumber in Pakistan, and here it's often showing you a captcha, and here you can see now it's showing you all the results of Pakistan. See, this is our page. See, this is showing, and This is another C URL, plumber in Karachi, C plumber in service, C plumbering service in different varieties. So here it is used. And operator 5, this is a very handy for students who want to learn, uh, who want to like search for any specific PDF file, like file type PDF, and write in inverted commas your keyword. For that I am working SEO. Now it will show me all the PDF. Here you can see the PDF logo. Here you can see the PDF is mentioned. So these are all the PDF files that you can search for. You can also search for like AI patterns. So here now you will get all the PDF. See, like this is a PDF loading, and yeah, see, you can find your all your research paper, your white papers using this search operator. So this is a very handy um, operator for using and finding any type of file. Here we will show the another search operator which is related. So here we will just search moz.com. Here related means that all the websites which are related to Moz, which are like doing the same thing as the Moz is providing to its user, it will show you all the related sites like similar web, your Ahref, your Moz, your Samrush, and here you can go into like Screaming Frog, like all the backlinko website SEO check linker. Here it is showing you all the related sites for Moz. So you can use to find any number of website if you are looking for similarities. And here it is operator 7, which is a cache. I suggest that you drop this operator because this operator is not being used by Google anymore and it is removed. And here it is like operator codes, like you can search anything in inverted commas if you don't want to use any operator. For example, car, for some SEO in Houston. So here you can see all the local services are shown in the result, and all the search results are now showing your result for the Houston SEO companies. So here you can find all the results of SEO Houston in SEO services. So here you can use all this operator to find your, and here it is a find a keyword on a website from a specific country. So here your site USA car insurance. So here we will also search for it, and you can see that site US. It means that all the sites are showing you are United States of America based and car insurance. So now every result you are getting me here is now showing you car insurance services in USA. So here you can see all the results related to car insurance in USA. And now we will try another example, which is in UK in SEO agency. Like SEO agency is your keyword and your .co.uk is your domain extensions. So now as you can see Screaming Frog, your see the URL .co.uk. See the URL .co.uk, that all the sites are now showing you with .co.uk parameters in the URL, so in the domain. So that's what means that you can now search any website, any content, any, regardless of your country, regardless of your keyword. Now you can find anything using this advanced search operators. Here we will just go and take another example of this. It is like site.pk, like as in Pakistan, and web development is your keyword. So I will just hit enter, and now as you can see your URL and your title, like web development service in Islamabad, like web exactly service in uh, solution, associate degree in web design, scope of web development here, like see web development service in Islamabad. Here you can see all the pages and your web development of Nexus technology. Here you can also find your or results. You can also use it to find your backlinks, like find pages about a keyword in the country. For example, like if I want to find digital marketing in USA, I will just simply write this. But this operator is not so guaranteed to show you result in USA, because this is not using any primary or search operator, which we have discussed above, like this: your site domain, your title, your in URL operator. These operators work very closely with that. So here I am going to show you an opening some of the listing, and as you can see, this is Collage, your listing platform. This is like showing you all the results using web development or digital marketing. And here it is now showing you customer find everywhere, Google to Chat GPT, and here your digital marketing in pure SEO in US. So here is all the operator which you can find. Now find your competitors in a specific country. Like here it is like this, and hit enter and you will see all the local businesses in Houston in SEO agency. See, all the pages now are showing you in US for digital agency. And find blog, like you can always find a specific blog in a specific country. See, the web your digital marketing is showing Google search bases, your 7 local link building tactics, your definitive of audit checklists, your web it is in CA. Like every site is showing you is for Canada. So here I am going to open you like two blogs. See the link, yeah, and it is showing you how to get quality backlinks. So you can find anything by using this search operator. And here is also a find guest post opportunity, like here you can use to find your backlinking opportunity. See, now every blog is showing you for an SEO outage opportunity for writing for right for us. So that is now I am all talking about that using this operator you can also do link building in SEO. Yeah. So that's how truly the power of search operator is. Like I said, 99 of your SEO professional guys don't use this operator. But you can use this operator to find any opportunity on the internet available for your services. Here you can find your government resources services, and I will going to demonstrate that for you. Here you can see now every your site is now in an government and website. Here I am going to open, look at the domain, look at the site, the renewable energy, and it is also a renewable energy, because I am searching for this type of keyword for government renewable energy. You can also find for building taxes. Now it will show you all type of building taxation in your country. See, eh, and you can find your government documents this way. Like you can also use to find universities if you want. You can also find PDF from one country. You can also found your local businesses in Pakistan or in any country in USA, in United States. See, here it all dentists are showing in UK, because the operator is limiting search result to show only result for co.uk.dentist. So here now you can also find e-commerce stores using this, like site.ca, that's for Canada, and add to cart, because every e-commerce stores have add to cart stores. So here I will share you this document with my audience. If you can just comment down on my video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because I will be sharing these tips and more tips similarity to this content and new SEO tricks and new SEO hacks. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.